RCX builds it.
Was able to build this in a
garage
with a box of scraps!
Hey, what's up, builders? Yeah, I wrecked the tractor cart on one of the test drives, but
that's what these tests are for!
it did give me the opportunity to look at some of the issues that we've got with the tractor cart build. By scooting the motor forward and then putting a longer chain on there, it allows it to be a little more comfortable and have a little more control over driving it. After I got the carbs cleaned up, I started working on the footboards and any kind of way I could change from throttling it with my hands and taking my hands off the steering wheel to a like a foot pedal, gas pedal on the ground here. And did the same thing for the other side, the left side of it. I'll eventually have a way I can make the brake pedal here so I can have gas on the right and brake on the left. But right now, brake is just this little handbrake here.
red button again.
You have what?
Tap the red button again.
Yes, tap the red button. Well, that should wrap it up for part 2. I know I said I think I can get this build in 2 parts in the series, but I think we're gonna have to do another one. Only because there's still some things that left on the project that need to be completed. One for sure is widening the track in the front. Because the front is so narrow, when you're steering it, you quickly lose stability. The whole thing just feels like it's getting pretty unstable. So widening out the track, and then I think if I got another set of these 15s, I think that would look pretty cool to have all 4 tires match. So widening the track in the front is one thing. Second thing is brakes. Use this little hand lever right here. It works, but it's not great. I'd like to put it to where I have a foot pedal there. So you definitely want to be able to stop this go-kart. Another thing I'd like to fix up, it's probably not necessary, but I would like to make it all one color. I kind of like the hodgepodge look of this, but maybe keeping the front grill orange and then maybe just the rest of it black. Let me know what you guys think. Should I paint this thing or just leave it as is? Let's see, what else was on here that I wanted to fix up? Motor runs pretty good. Oh, and yeah, of course, I don't know why I almost forgot about it. Making it in the seat where I can quickly detach the seat and then scoot it forward so the kids can reach the pedals. I think if I just move the seat up like maybe 6 or 8 inches closer to the steering wheel, they would be able to reach the pedals and then they could drive it on their own. Another thing that comes up with that, if the kids are driving it, I'd like to wire up maybe a remote kill switch so that if they get too far, I can kill it real quick, so that I can stop them from getting hurt. But that should wrap it up for part 2. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, share, and if you haven't already considered subscribing to the channel. We're at like 568 or 569 subscribers, so really cool that we're growing, really cool, and I'd like to keep that going. I'd like to get to 1,000 for sure. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.